Hey guys, it's Saturday. I think it's the 21st. I'm not sure. I think it's the 21st. Uh, Today I'm just gonna uh, do this intro in the morning and then kind of add things during the day and then just try and post it this evening and tell you kind of, I guess, just what we're doing and see what I can fit in during the day. But let me swing this around. Boop. Okay, as you guys know, here's the project. Uh, My plan today is do a couple of things inside that I need to do. I might take a video of some trains running, might take a video of what Robin's working on. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I do know one thing. I need to get the slippery stuff inside the engine of this changed. Oil and filter. And the green stuff, yeah, yeah, antifreeze in the radiator. And anyways, the thermostat needs to be changed. I need to see if there's even a thermostat in it. So if the weather holds out, which it's like very overcast, doesn't look like it's going to rain or anything, I'm going to try and do those two things first, get the messy stuff out of the way, and then I'll just record some things through the day, and hopefully you enjoy what I come up with. Okay, I guess one thing I can do is kind of give you a tour of our workspace. You'll hear Robin in the background probably. She's talking to a neighbor cat-a-corner across the street who has bone cancer. She's not able to get out and get stuff, so she's talking to her and telling her if she needs anything to give us a holler. But this is my office space. I think you guys have seen it before. It's Robin's card making space. She makes greeting cards and stuff in here, her miniature stuff, and her Shirley Temple and doll collection. I think I may have showed these before, but as long as I'm here, I might as well show you. That one there with the red outfit on is Thelma Thunderthighs. Robin made that one. A lot of these others in here are ones that were made by a friend of hers who passed away a year or so ago. She made this one on the floor with the long hair is a Patty Play Pal that is like one she had when she was a youngster. Several Shirley Temples in there that I have bought her over time, and a lot of them are, like I say, just memory things that her friend made. You guys have probably also noticed that we collect. Oops, try to get my finger out of the way. Let me do this with the camera here. You'll also notice possibly up there that we collect toy sewing machines. I know there's a lot of light coming in the window. She collected them. She has several, a couple little things in all of her books that she's accumulated. And now we'll follow her out into her work area, if we can. Okay, so this is what would have been the formal living room. It's now her office area, and as you can see, my work area on the right, my cabinet full of detail parts and all my projects. Of course, a Bose music machine on the top for sound. This is just kind of our work area. And let me see if I can round her up real quick. And if I can, I will show you her dollhouse. If not, I will show it to you another day. Okay, here we are. We just kind of turned around backwards from where I was just showing you. But these are some of the things that Robin does. First of all, there's a quilt on the wall. And I don't know what to tell you about that. It's something that she enjoys doing. She knows the patterns and things, and she's done quite a few of them, and I'm pretty proud of her for the work that she does on them. Then if we look down here, this is our grandson, Gavin. You guys probably know him. He really wanted to do a dollhouse, not a dollhouse per se. He wanted to do miniatures. He wanted to build a house and do a miniature house. So we bought this for him. And
as a kid.
yeah, as a kid. And then, of course, he went to school.
He wanted a kit. He wanted to build something. He wanted to put it together from scratch, basically. So that's what we started doing, and he lost interest in it, so I decided to take it over after several years of waiting for him to decide if he was going to get back into it or not. and I converted it into a Christmas house, which meant that we had to cut out floors, and I've been collecting Christmas miniatures for many years and made the figures, and in the process of making some elves, and here we are. This is as much as I've gotten done.
Yeah, and you know, it's lighted. I don't think we have it plugged in right now. It's not important. But nevertheless, she has collected or made a lot of the things in here. And we leave it out now all year long because there's an awful lot of work in it. And we just like looking at it all year long. I'm pretty proud of her on this too. You know, she did all of the work on the house practically. She picked out the roof material, which is just a corrugated styrene that we found, and painted it copper colored. If I come around here to the side just slightly, you'll see that it's a log cabin kit. And the other side of it, you know, is all log cabin. It was supposed to have a porch on it. We omitted the porch because of where we were going to put it on this little dresser. But we and she in particular have had fun working on it, and of course things with anything can be frustrating at times, but for the most part, you know, we've enjoyed doing it, and it's just one of the things that she does, and along with the quilting. I'll show you some more of that, or try and feature some more stuff of hers and what she's doing in other videos, or maybe even some later on today, and show you something else on another day. But for today, this is what she has done, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. By the way, the floor in this thing, we could never come up with a good wooden floor, and we came up with an idea. Where did we get that idea?
It was on, some gal was doing it on YouTube.
Yeah, somebody was doing it on YouTube, but you can explain the method.
Basically what it was is buying the 12 by 12 inch parquet vinyl flooring for homes at Lowe's, which they're separated by 4 lines, and I went ahead and cut them into 4 pieces. After I did that, I went ahead and cut each one of those into small strips. And then after that, and they were self-adhesive. After that, I was able to lay them down on the floor, and then Mike suggested that we mix a black or brown wash to completely go over the floor and then wipe it away so the wash would go down into the cracks. And it actually came out looking more like wood flooring than I had ever dreamed it would. I'm really excited about it.
Yeah, and actually, I think it turned out better than the wood flooring that we actually have tried.
For sure, yeah.
A lot of the wood flooring that we tried in these houses has you try and do any painting in there or anything, or the humidity goes up and the floor starts to curl up and stuff. So we had really good luck with that. We were impressed with that. We'll probably use that method again when we do something, I'm sure. But anyway, that's Robin's things for today, and I'll snag her another day, and we'll go over something else. By the way, you can see behind her on the wall back there, there's a BNSF clock. I won that in Albuquerque when we went to a train show up in Albuquerque with a coal train that I had taken up there, and was presented that by the BNSF Railroad. But nevertheless, that's it for in here today, and I'll just add videos to this as I go today and try and make something out of it later on and see what I can piece together. Thanks, hon.
Okay.
Okay, guys. I got the bumper straightened on the front of the Bronco. Got that done the other day. Got all the striping on. I think I mentioned that. Showed you a picture of it. But now I have all the door jambs cleaned. It's kind of progressing pretty well. I got the rear wiper painted. Got the latch painted for the spare tire carrier. The inside's all clean with the exception of cleaning the back seat. And if you notice, I got the windshield trim painted today. Didn't get the windshield cleaned or any of the glass cleaned, but I got all that done. So that's about it on the update on the Bronco so far. And let's see what else I can find today. Okay, gang. I just came in from outside doing the little video on the Bronco. Um, that being said, I got a steam engine running in here. I haven't run any trains for a couple of days, but what I decided to do is I'm going inside and I'm going to get a piece of paper and I'm going to write down every one of the industries here that I'm going to show you, or what I have shown you, depending on where I put them in the video. The names of the industries and so forth, and I'm going to put down what kind of loads and what kind of capacity they may have at those particular places, so that I can start making waybills. So that being said, that's probably going to be it for today, and I'll try and get one for you guys tomorrow or Monday. I know, right? Steam engine on the layout? I know. Anyways, thanks for watching.